Look, guys, we are in the lab right now. Graphic designing in the making. Look at that. Glows in the dark. Y'all can't tell me that's not hard. This is not mine. This is just an example, but this is hard. Yeah, that's nice. I like that.
Print all the way, but this is actually the final design.
Yeah, that's nice.
The colors are a lot brighter. This ones were like a little too dull, so we want to fix it up.
Okay.
Made it a lot brighter.
So guys, I just left the place where I'm getting the logo and everything done, the shirts, the hoodies and stuff. Man, I'm just letting you guys know now, shit's gonna be fire. I'm telling you right now. Like, shit's gonna be crazy when it's finished. Bro, it's just gonna be crazy. Just wait, just be patient. I promise you guys, I got y'all. Good, YouTube, welcome back to another video. It's your boy KP to go back in with another banger, no cap, man. But anyways, guys, for this video, I'm going to be taking you guys a ride along with me, basically showing off this beauty. It rained the other day. It looks like it's going to rain again, honestly, but who knows. But yeah, we're going to be taking this thing on a ride along, probably to go to downtown area and go ahead and give her, you know, flame map. Go ahead and push this thing, see how it's working. I'm probably gonna stop by Justo's for a little bit, see what he got going on. And this bitch right here, she's gonna be going in the shop pretty soon, really soon. So you guys might be saying like, damn, why he got both of his cars on the side of the road and things like that, of that nature. So I really got both of them on the side of the road because me and my guys right now, we're searching for a house. We're searching for a house where it's gonna be a 4-bedroom. We're planning on having some money moves, so we're gonna make some good money in the long run. But yeah, this is the current situation of this car. It's basically body damage, nothing mechanical or anything like that. But we're gonna get it back up. This thing's gonna be looking brand spanking new when we're done with it. Just wait on it. Probably gonna be making this a show car. It's gonna look really good when I get done with it. So it came to my attention that my dog literally just chewed up my fucking GoPro thing. Not the actual GoPro, which is right here, but the GoPro strap. So looks like I gotta go buy one of these, because where's the piece at? This little piece right here is supposed to strap to this little piece. Bruh, honestly, VQs get a lot of hate, but this is a great car. Also, I'm kind of dumping all of my money into the daily right now because I want that thing back up. This thing wastes hella fucking gas on this E85, and that's the only gas I use at the moment. So yeah, that I'm not going for that. Yeah, so man, hopefully I get off this E85 pretty soon and go back to 93. Even though it's more expensive, it burned a lot slower. And I started a new job right now, so it's kind of like I kind of try to balance out my stuff right now. So y'all just gotta bear with me on dropping this content and stuff. But I got y'all, no cap. We going up, no cap. Okay, looks like they have this little scrap thing, but that is $20 only for that. Then they have the big box with all the accessories and everything, which is $60. Do I really want to spend that much money? No. So let's look. Let's keep looking. Hopefully we find something better. Might have to pull the trigger on this. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I just low-key fucked this box up all the way. No cap. Man. That's one of the cheapest options was $20. But look like I'm gonna have to spend $50 just for the fucking mount, bro. I don't want to do that shit. $50 for the protective housing. That is insane. You guys probably have to wait, bro, honestly, for that POV today. Never mind, guys. I'm gonna head up out of here. I'm gonna go to a different Best Buy. Look at that car. Oh, whoa. Old white lady. I'm not racist, guys. Man, I swear, this next Best Buy better have it, or I'm probably gonna be done with this fucking GoPro shit. I'm gonna buy a GoPro 360. And that's probably gonna be one of my impulse buys if this place does not have it. a $50 mount probably gonna turn into a $900 purchase. I know I'm not the only one that ends up doing that shit, just because at the slightest inconvenience I end up buying something that's way more expensive that I shouldn't have, and I would have saved more money to begin with. That's probably me. I'm not gonna lie. I know I'm not the only one though, so y'all let me know. If you're not listening to 347 Aiden, what are you doing? No cap. Man, they better have it, no cap, man. Look like y'all not getting no POV today. I was gonna give y'all POV. Look like y'all gonna have to wait, no cap. I mean, this is the best y'all can get. I mean, is this good enough for what? One-handed steering? Sure. Never mind. Go, bitch. Just get them real squeaky clean. Oh shit. Y'all know the daily drill. Back at the E85 station. Something like that. Drink up, bitch. The stinky, stinky, stinky car. Drink up. $3 for E85? Boy. Almost $50 for E85. Boy, what the fuck? Boy, what the fuck? Wait, squeeze some more, get some more money up out of there. Get some more money out of there. Oh, won't come out. So this is the current state, guys. Yeah. Trying to get this boy back running. So guys, yesterday I did a full on just dedicated my whole off day to this car. And I was taking every last part out. I was taking literally everything out of this car. This is my brother's car. And I'm basically rebuilding it. I took literally everything off. The battery is dead because I haven't started this car in like, I don't know how long. So I had bought a new battery for it, everything, literally. I took the rear bumper off. I I got tail lights coming in. I already have a rear bumper for it. I'm probably gonna put that on my off day. Front bumper, fender, the headlights are good. Don't have to worry too much about that. Other than that, this thing is coming together real quick. I went on ahead and smashed this stuff out of the way. Go ahead and put a new battery in it. Yeah, I'm gonna do an oil change on it as well. So this thing is running strong. So just hold on, let me give y'all guys just a quick little startup real quick, just to show y'all. So yeah, this thing is running really, really strong, no cap. So this thing is running real strong, feels good. I'm gonna start cranking this car up very often now. Having this car, you know, I don't want to have it sit anymore. This car is running really strong. Nothing wrong with it mechanically. It's just basically body part panels and stuff like that. But other than that, that's about it. What else can I say? Other than that, this car is pretty much good. But just wait till I get done with this car. This car is going to be a show car. This car is going to be perfect, no cap. Just give me a time, man. Just give me time. But time is all I need. I'm getting tired of wasting my gas on this E85 on that dirty bitch. I'm going to go clean her off, and we're going to a car meet. So, yeah, that's the plan for today. Let's get it. Yeah, guys, she's all cleaned up nice. Look at her. With her suit on, no cap. Sheesh. Shiny whiny. Sersky, put some E85 in her, gonna hop back on the road. Hey, I'm not gonna cap y'all. This is a good turnout, no cap. Sure. There's a lot of cars there, a lot of cars. Hey, I was trying to park over here, but then it was like, oh, it's reserved. So then I dipped. So I had to park over there somewhere. Right there. Holy crap, would y'all do this much? This is a lot. That's a lot of work, I'm not gonna lie to you. God damn. Titanium, that's like really done right. God damn. My boy bought tires just for this. Look at the Q's rolling in. This is Louise. GTR? Goddamn, hold on, gotta look at this. This thing is crazy. Jotech. God damn. Shit look crazy. Little back G over here. That's so clean. A lot of clean cars here. No cap. And this is just the beginning. We ain't even walk around the whole thing yet. Oh God, that whole clean. Damn. Look at that fitment. God damn. Look at that fitment. God. Holy shit, he spooked me for a second. I ain't gonna care. Are y'all a fan of this static or what? This was a puppy rocket.
Damn, I'm gonna lose weight in that house.
Oh, that was nice. fuck, no cap. LOL, AMG. Oh shit, dogfight. Dogfight. Damn. That really just happened. Damn. Damn. He's on street tires. I don't think he's that fast. Look, guys, a Ferrari. A Ferrari, guys. Oh, bro, this hoe is stupid clean. Hold on, which turbo? Who is this made by? Jotech? Sheesh. All three of these twin turbo C8 Corvettes. That's crazy. Oh yeah, that's definitely paint. Man, that's so stupid clean. God damn. Look at that shit shine. It looks better on camera, honestly.
It does.
Last time I seen this, she had a little Hello Kitty movie. Shit. 50 milligrams.
A drift Mustang? Y'all want to see a drift build or what? What y'all want to see? Nice ass S2000. Sheesh, wide body kit on it. Can't go wrong. God damn. Yeah, I feel like they ain't gonna try to do nothing but. So this is where we at. I don't know if you guys want me to record. And there go my boy Justo, as always. Yes, sir. Fact. I don't know if you guys want me to record us mobbing down the freeway, because that's basically what we're gonna do. But other than that, I think I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. If something interesting come up, then I'll put it in the vlog. But look at these headlights, man. These things are nice. Hold on. Woo! Crispy! Damn. Sexy. Sheesh. Yeah, but other than that, guys, this is probably going to be the end of the vlog. It's your boy KP the GOAT. And I'm out.